besties, welcome back to the channel. My name is Gigi. This is Down for Glam, and what we have here is another Valentine's inspired set for all of you beautiful lovers of love who love Valentine's Day. I'm actually not that big of a Valentine's Day person, but for all you people who are, here comes another really cool, I think, Valentine's set. My daughter bought me a little container filled with little hearts, just little cutout hearts in like sort of a matte. They're not super shiny. They're kind of a matte mylar sort of thing, but I don't know, maybe just more plastic. I don't know. They're just little hearts. You can see one right there, right above my fingers. And I just was so inspired by the idea of just pouring those hearts out into the world. So this nail set is just to represent you pouring your love into the world and making it a better place, turning it from gray to colorful. And in that wet polish that we've put down, which is one of the Mifa polishes, it's #1, as you can see there. We're just going to lay some of these glitters down in there because you are pouring your heart into the world. We need more of that. And so I was inspired to make these nails with the idea of just pouring love into the world. And so that's what we're doing today. We're pouring some pink hearts and love into the world. That one heart is sticking off the side a little bit before the... right after I cured the top coat, I actually filed that off to make it smoother, and then I fixed the top coat a little. I don't show that on camera, but I did want to let you know that I don't leave that hanging off the side, and you will actually see that it's all nice and smooth at the end with the reveal shots. This is not a difficult manicure to do. It's not a hard art to do. It's a simple gray nail with some awesome pink representations of love. Now, here's a mistake in my editing. I don't know why I gave this little bit to you twice. This is a little oopsity doopsity, and I'm sorry about that. But what we're doing, and I show you twice, is that we're making 3 little splash marks there, and then I am coming in to fill in a little bit more of the love pooling at the bottom, because as you pour it, you're going to be starting to pool that at the bottom, and this and on that middle nail that sort of represents that. And then we will come in again and add some more hearts. And when I'm doing the single hearts like that, I like this tiny skinny little brush because it's easier to pick up one at a time. I'm really struggling. And so I just break them apart with my fingers. And all I'm doing is dampening that brush in a little alcohol and wiping it off just so it's barely damp enough to pick up those little plastic pieces. Because really that's, I think it's just, well, first of all glitter is plastic. And there's the first one. Just showing you that first one again. Because all glitter is plastic. So these are just larger glitter pieces, but they're not super shiny. They're a little more on the matte side. So if you were doing a matte nail, you could totally use these and they would be like almost double matte. It would be so cool. And this one is going to have some splashes. And then just the tiniest bit of pooling at the bottom, just from the other direction. Because this is a nail on the other side of the pouring nail. What a weird thing to call it. So are you big time into Valentine's Day? What do you have planned? Let us know in the comment section below. Now we're coming back in again with all these hearts. That is the theme of today's nails. We're just going to fill those in. Now, after everything's cured, I do give the nails a very good base coat to kind of take away from some of the texture that is in the nails. It's not going to 100% remove that. And so this is absolutely we're going to get rid of that little one. But this is absolutely a look that you could do encapsulated. You could do this with colored acrylics or colored gels. So you absolutely would not have to only do this in polish. But this is the medium I had, and I just wanted to show that this is absolutely something that you could do just as a polish technique. So there's a lot of ways that you could achieve this, absolutely. On this thumbnail, we're just going to do one big splash mark going all the way across the nail there. And I'm going to struggle a little bit to place these hearts. But there you go. And then I'm going to wipe a couple off because they don't fit. They just don't fit. But that's just a line of hearts swooshing across there. I think that looks so effective. And then when you top coat them, look at how dimensional those hearts look. I absolutely love it. And it's like each side has its own sort of, like there's a deeper side and a more shinier side. So I love this set. I hope you guys really like it too. Please let me know in the comment section below. Is this a set that you would wear? Do you love Valentine's Day? Let me know, because I definitely want to hear about it. That was me getting ready to clip off the side. You see on the one, I did take that off because it was just a little too much hanging off. I'm going to point to it now. There you go. Thanks a lot, you guys, for watching this video. I am really grateful that you come by every day and leave me such wonderful comments. You guys rock out loud, and we will see you tomorrow for one last Valentine's video. Bye.